Right, quick video about this thermostatic valve. It goes for 30 degrees, says somewhere, 35 to 50 degrees. Now this thing has been playing up for a few days now. It would give us hot water, it would give us cold water, nothing in between. So what I did was, I just stripped the thing completely. This bit doesn't really matter. These two side bits, if you unscrew them, you'll see there's like there's a wee valve bit here. See if you push it, it lets water in and stops water getting in. Same with the other side, but this top one, this was the doozy, because I was spinning the knob and it was just going round and round and round and round. So what I found was this bit in the middle here, which I think there's a thermostatic spring inside it. I'm no expert, but this is what I've done. It does move, but it takes a lot of force. But the other bit that was stuck was the actual control bit itself. So I got a big spanner onto the big thread and a 7mm, and now it turns quite the thing. So if you're having problems with your control valve, strip it, clean it in vinegar and water, 50-50. Let it soak for an hour. I mean, this eventually cracked. It sort of gave just the teeniest wee microscopic crack. Back the way, 2 teeny wee cracks. Third time, it gave way. So this is that's it set to the lowest, 35 degrees. And that's it set 50. So turn it back to 35, and I'll reassemble it and try it and let you know how I get on. I forgot to mention, to get this cap off, it's not a screw, it's like a push fit. There's like a wee lip there and it goes into this brass bit. Now to get it off, I'll not put it on yet. You can get a screwdriver and wedge it in there and just try and prise it off real slow. I mean, it doesn't work anyway. I mean, it might now. Nah, it's still, see, it's still just turning because it's rounded and I've pushed it back on. So I'll show you. The screwdriver in there and off it comes. Right, now we'll fit it. To get this off, you need a lot of force, and it's a 24mm. I ended up using a 24mm socket and a torque wrench. It was on that tight. So yeah, try that. And this is just adjustable spanner for these. So that's it. I'll bang it back in. Now just a wee update. You can see this is stuck open. So what I'm thinking was happening is the cold water has been coming in, forced this valve open, and it's been constantly cold water. Right, so I'm going to get that loosened and hopefully it frees up. Right folks, that's our reinstalled. Now, you'll notice here, I don't know if you can make it out, there's a C, and down here there's an F, and then out here is the mix of the hot, so it goes warm. Right, now me and my worldly wisdom thought to myself, C for cold, F for feed for the water tank. But we're in France, and C is for show, and F is for froid. So cold, hot. I had them the other way around, but it was still playing up. It's still, everything inside here wasn't working right. So what I've done is I've just cranked it up right up to 50 degrees, and we've got mixer tops through the house anyway, so we can fiddle about with that. But as of now, that is working perfect.